Hi, welcome to Online Bridging Course Part 1 Lesson 4, which is about polynomials and special products. The lesson is organized as follows. First, we will define what is a polynomial. Second, we will deal operations with polynomials. And third, we will use special products to multiply polynomials. A polynomial is an algebraic expression which consists variables, coefficients, and a non-negative integer exponents. So kaning tulo dire kani sila examples ni siya sa polynomial. Now atong i-check. First example, 2x plus 5. It has a variable. It has also coefficient. Now ang exponent aning x di ba 1. Now kaning 5 nimo naapod na siya tapad nga x raised to 0, which is I think hibaw na siguro mo sa discussion sa nag-unaan ni wherein x or any number or any variable raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now the second example, ang imuha pong variable kay na present pod which is x. Sa third is x o y. These two examples are polynomials in x alone. And the third example is a polynomial in x and y. Take note, ang kada exponent sa imuhang mga variables diha is a non-negative integer. Now, by definition of a polynomial, which is an expression of this form, okay? Kung imong mabantayan ang degree sa imuhang polynomial, term na niya degree ato ning bold, okay? Is n, wherein n is the highest or the largest value of the non-negative integer. Okay? And this last term here is the constant term. Okay? Another characteristic sa usa ka polynomial or another type is according sa iyahang number of terms. Okay, balik ta ning ato ang example dire. Kani silang tulo. So arita sa naguna. So 2x is the first term and positive 5 is the second term. Okay? Now diri sa ikaduhang example, 3x to the fourth is the first term, negative 7x squared is the second term, positive 2x is the third term, and positive 4 is the fourth term. Now naa na siya'y tawag kung sa ang usa ka polynomial depende or according sa iyang number of terms. Ibutang diri lain. So, kung usa ra na siya ka term, ang tawag ana niya is monomial. Okay? So, ito lang ibutang diri sa gawas. Kung duha na siya ka terms, ang tawag ana niya is binomial. Kung tulo na ka terms, ang tawag is trinomial. Kung upat, quadrinomial. Therefore, the first example is a binomial. The second example is a quadrinomial. And the third example is a trinomial. Now, arita sa example 1. Pila may degree ani niya? So, take note, ang variable nimo is only x. X na imong variable and it has an exponent 1. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial, 2x plus 5, kani siya, is 1. While the degree ani imong second term is 4, which is the largest or the highest exponent of your variable. Okay? Balik. Ang degree aning imong first example is 1. Ang degree aning imong second example is 4. And how about unsa may degree aning imong third example nga variable man siya, polynomial man siya in both x and y. So, ang degree aning ingon ani nga type sa polynomial is the sum of the largest sum of the two variables. So, the degree of this third example is 2 plus 2, 4. A polynomial has a standard form. Unsa man siyang standard form? Ang gipasabot ra aning standard form is that ang terms nimo sa imong polynomial dapat ang iyang integers, ang iyang exponents is in descending order. So that means from highest to lowest or largest to smallest exponent. So given the polynomials a, b, and c, 4x squared minus 5x to 7 minus 2 plus 3x, and 4 minus 9x squared, and c8, ang standard form ani niya atong i-rewrite ang kaning polynomial into a standard form. So baliktaan ning a nato, 4x squared minus 5x squared minus 2 plus 3x. The highest exponent is 7. Next sa 7 is 2, correct? And next sa 2 is 1. And next to 1 is 0. Kani imo ang constant term which is negative 2. Therefore, ang standard form ana niya is negative 5x to 7 plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. Now, if i-include po diri ang degree niya, so again, the degree of a polynomial is the highest non-negative integer sa imuhang polynomial. So that is 7. And so with letters B and C. We will now proceed to operations with polynomials. So again, polynomials naapod ni siya operations, which is sum, difference, or product sa ato ang polynomials. So second example, what is the sum of these two polynomials? So atong basahon, 5x cubed minus 7x squared minus 3 plus x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 8. So ang rule ani sa pag-add or pag-minus ni mong polynomials is imuha ra ni siyang i-combine ang terms, like terms. Okay? So unsa may like terms ani? Balik ta tong terms, di ba? Unsa may like terms? Kung unsay pareha niya variables and exponents. Now, from the first polynomial, so 5x cubed, mangita ta sa second polynomial, ug x cubed pod, so x cubed. So 5x cubed plus x cubed. Next is negative 7x squared, the second term of the first polynomial. Negative 7x squared, kung sa may like term niya, that is positive 2x squared. So negative 7x squared plus 2x squared. Next, so constant term. Okay? Pero, si second polynomial, napa siya ay negative x. Okay? O ato ra nang idiretso negative x diha. And next, ato nang i-combine ang like terms diri, which is the constant term, so negative 3 plus 8. Okay? And solving further, 5x cubed plus x cubed is 6x cubed. Negative 7x squared plus 2x squared is negative 5x squared, negative x, and negative 3 plus 8 is positive 5. So that is the answer for letter A. Next is the difference of polynomials. 7x to the fourth minus x squared minus 4x plus 2 minus 3x to the fourth minus 4x squared plus 3x. So diri kay difference naman ni siya, ato lang usa ning i-distribute ang kaning negative sign diri sa ato ang parenthesis nga naa diri sa sulod. Okay, atong by distributive property. So negative 3x to the fourth. The negative and negative is positive, so that's 4x squared. Negative and positive is negative, so that is negative 3x. And using again the rule of combining like terms sa kaning expression dere, ato ni siyang i-simplify. To simplify this expression, we will combine like terms. Again, used in previous calculation. So combining like terms, the terms in x to the fourth, the terms for x squared, and the terms for variable in x, and for the constant term. So you get 4x to the fourth plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 2. So you can just replay or you can do it at your own para ma-check nimo kung sakto imo ibuhat. How about product of polynomials? So given in example 3, we will multiply this polynomial to this polynomial. So this process is called the vertical arrangement in multiplying polynomials. So ang technique ani niya dire is imo ni siyang ari ka magtan-aw sa ubos nga imong gibutang polynomial. Pwede ra gud na sad ni mo balihon, ibabaw nimo ni siya or kani imong iubos. Pwede ra na siya. Now, ang technique is tan-aw ka aning imong ubos nga term, kani siya multiply niya, multiplication sign na dila siya variable x. Tan-aw ka sa ubos, imo ni siyang i-zoom. Kada portion na ng imong kuan, ang kani nga part diri imong i-multiply dito. Next is kani siya i-multiply na pud ani nga term. Then next is i-multiply na pud na nimo nga term adto sa ikatulo. Okay, nakuha ninyo. Kani siyang first term sa imuhang lower part nga polynomial, i-multiply nimo dito sa first term sa upper, sa second nga term, o sa third term. And same ang mahitabuan na niya para sa imong second term o sa imong third term. Imo ra na siyang i-multiply kada term sa babaw nga polynomial. Okay? Now, following those process, so x squared times x squared is x raised to 4. Correct. X squared times negative 2x is negative 2x cubed. And x squared multiplied by positive 2 is positive 2x squared. Okay, that's the first process. Next is kaning second term na sad nimo, imo na pod i-multiply didto tagsa-tagsa kada term sa imuhang first polynomial. Okay. So positive 2x times x squared is positive 2x squared. And positive 2x times negative 2x is negative 4x squared. And positive 2x times positive 2 is positive 4x. And here for the third term, negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. And negative 2 times negative 2x is positive 4x. And negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. So simplifying further, we're combining like terms again, because that is the process of multiplying. Bring down x to the fourth. Negative 2x cubed plus 2x cubed is 0, x cubed. Positive 2 minus 4 minus 2 is negative 4x squared. And positive 4x plus positive 4x is positive 8x. And bring down negative 4. Therefore, the answer is x to the fourth minus 4x squared plus 8x minus 4. In algebra, there are cases wherein ang imuhang mga polynomials, like binomial or trinomial, magbalik-balik na siya sige, frequently used na siya, frequently occurring sa algebra. Like for example, kaning sum and difference of two terms. Sum of two terms and difference of two terms, imong i-multiply, ang answer niya is x squared minus y squared. So you can check it kung sakto ba na siyang x squared minus y squared using the method that we have already used in multiplying polynomials. So, muna siya ang sum and difference of same terms and square of a binomial. What does it mean? Square sa imong binomial. So, this binomial x plus y, and you can also have x minus y nga binomial. So, muna yang answer. And also, cube of a binomial. Again, sum and difference of two terms. So, mura ni siya ang mga special cases nga frequently occurring or frequently used in algebra. So, as an example, what is the square of a binomial? Find the square of quantity 6x minus 5. So, ang atong gamiton ani is katong kani x minus y quantity square. So, di ba? Kay difference man siya sa two terms, difference sa duha ka terms. nya gi-square nimo. So kana ing imuhang gamiton nga bali formula didto sa pag-answer nimo ani. Pero once maanad na ka, sige kag answer kay pwede ra man pud nimo gamitan og katong usual way of multiplying polynomials, di ba? Here we will use that special forms of product of polynomials. Here, this is what we call special products. So the first term is 6x and the second term is 5. Ayaw na lang i-take note ang iyang assign dere because nagamit naman ta sa x minus y nga katong formula. So 6x minus 5 quantity square is therefore equal to, so imo ning sundon, what is the first term? Atong first term is 6x and the second term is 5. So square of the first term minus 2 times the first term times the second term and the square of the second term. So 6x squared is 36x squared and negative 2 times 6 is negative 12 times 5, that is negative 60. So negative 60x and square of 5 is 25. Therefore, this is the answer. That is all for today's discussion and today's lesson. I hope you get something. Thank you.